Oh my god. That's made my entire day. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a bit of a random one. So yeah, let's get into it. I will give you some context on how this all happened. So basically, I was travelling between Wigan North Western and Crewe on a Virgin Pendolino last week, and I went to the toilet on the train and it smelled like sweets. Like, Nathan can back me up on this, like the toilet smelled like sweets. Like, imagine opening a packet of Haribos. It smelled like Haribos. So I decided I would tweet Virgin Trains about my discovery. I said, "This Virgin Train toilet smells like Haribos. Makes a nice change at Virgin Trains." And someone from Virgin Trains Twitter replied to me saying, "Okay Kat, I'm intrigued. What flavour Haribo? Please don't say fried eggs." And I said, "Maybe gummy bears." And they were like, "Thank goodness for that." So yeah, I had a nice little conversation with Virgin Trains on Twitter about their Haribo smelling toilets. And then later on during my journey, I got a DM from them saying, "Hi Kat, we would love to send you a little something to thank you for making us laugh today. Would that be okay?" It was like, oh, like a random tweet made someone's day, you know, like I didn't think they would think anything of it. I thought they would just be like, okay, that's weird. But yeah, they have sent me something in the post and it has just arrived this morning. When they said they would send me something, I thought it'd be like a little envelope or something. No, I was completely mistaken. This is what my parents answered the door to this morning. This huge box. I am intrigued to find out what Virgin Trains have sent me. Like, I was not expecting this. This is crazy. It is literally the same size as me sitting down right now. Yeah, I'm really excited to open this. Let's get into it. What a lovely sound. Who doesn't love some elastic bands? Okay, where should I start opening this? This box is very well taped. Oh yeah. Whatever it is, it rattles, which makes me even more intrigued to actually open this box. Okay, so this is what the box currently looks like. Whatever it is inside here. So let's open it and officially find out what I've been sent. Oh my god. Some noodles. Some more noodles. And a pot noodle. And a box with some more stuff in it. I'm really confused. I think I know why I tweeted about having a pot noodle. I had my first ever pot noodle. They've sent me loads of Haribos. Oh my god. Tangastics. Super Mix. Giant strawberries. Joysticks. Star Mix. Haribo Gold Bears, Happy Cherries, and Jelly Babies. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. And they've also sent me this little note. "Hey Katrina, your tweet about toilets really made us lol. So as a thank you, we wanted to send you some Haribos. We also saw you recently tried pot noodles for the first time and could have been more impressed. So here's some recommendations from me. Enjoy, from Beth and the Virgin Train social media team." Oh my god, that is so cute. Oh wow. Oh, that is adorable. That is actually so cute. That's made my entire day. Thank you so much, Virgin Trains and Beth and everyone on the social media team. That's really made me smile. Oh wow. I absolutely love Haribo. Wow. And whoever replied to me on the social media team, like, you don't like fried eggs, but I save fried eggs till last because I find them my favourite. Oh my gosh. And the noodles. Chili chicken ramen. Ooh, I've never heard of this company before. Wow. I'm definitely going to be trying these. Singapore curry. Ooh, that sounds really spicy. Oh my gosh. And a pot noodle. Chicken and mushroom. That sounds very interesting as well. So yeah, this is everything Virgin Trains has sent me. I really wasn't sure what I was expecting. I definitely was not expecting this, so thank you so much. So yeah, if you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I am now going to stuff my face with Haribos and try lots of noodles, so you know where to find me. Bye!